Hi guys! So this is a super chill video, what I really do in the morning, and you get to follow me along. So grab a cup of coffee, grab a cup of tea, whatever, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye!
Mix that Negro with that Creole, make the Texas banner. I like my baby having afros. I like my baby having afros.
Yo, home to Bel Air. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air in West Philadelphia. Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school when a couple of guys.
Good morning! So this is my very chill, very realistic morning routine, and I just start my day by making my bed, getting dressed if it's a good day, and brushing my teeth. I don't know about you, but if I don't spray my face with a mist in the morning, I literally can't even function. If my face feels dry and tight, it distracts me for the whole rest of the day. So I usually use mist or lotion.
This is what the people of Bel Air living like. This might be alright, but wait, I hear the Percy bourgeois and all that. Is this the type of place that they should send this cool cat? I don't think so. I see when I get there. I hope they're prepared for the Prince of Bel Air. The plane landed, and when I came out, there was a dude look like a cop standing there with my name out. I ain't trying to get arrested yet. I just got here.
Okay, so now it is time for breakfast, and every single day I have pretty much the exact same thing. This is Mike's Killer Bread in the Good Seed version, and then I just take some vanilla soy milk and some coffee creamer. This is the Fairlife one. I'm pretty obsessed with it right now. It's really, really good. And I use this for my lattes in the morning. And instead of using espresso, I typically just use different types of coffee and put it on a strong shot. And right now I am using the Peet's Big Bang coffee.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so as I was getting my breakfast ready, I realized that I ran out of butter. So yeah, I'm going to just do a quick little grocery run to gather all the things that I'll need for the next few days in general, and then we'll keep going. All right, Target acquired. Let's get back to it. All right, I'm back. So now I am just picking back up where I left off, making my coffee, and chatting with Joseph for a little bit while he's on a break from work. You're interrupting my flow.
That's my job.
You've been going in on these Triscuits.
They're tasty.
Now, if you thought that I was just gonna put these groceries away and not acknowledge it, you are mistaken. So I'm just taking some Lysol wipes that I spray with NBD cleaner, and I'm wiping off all of my groceries before I put them away because, you know, Corona. now it is time for makeup, and I'm just going through my simple everyday makeup routine with just a pretty natural base, some lip liner, lip gloss, lashes. You know the drill, nothing crazy.
Such fools of ourselves.
I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get $1 out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get $1 out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce and Gabbana. She feed them fools fantasies, they pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my gang got her. An hour later, had that up in the Ramada. Them trick niggas in the ear saying they think about her. I got the by the bar trying to get a drink about her. She like my style, she like my smile, she like the way I talk. She from the country, think she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga trying to holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga trying to holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Hit that track, catch a date and come and pay the kid. Look baby, this is simple, you can't see. You fucking with me, you fucking with a PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get $1 out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get $1 out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I'm about my money, you see, girl, you can holler at me if you fucking with me. I'm a PIMP. Now what you see on TV, no Cadillac, no greasy, head full of hair, I'm a PIMP. Come get money with me if you're curious to see how it feels to.
And now it's time for the hair, and I am just taking these like week-old twists out pretty much, and I'm just taking some clips, some olive oil in a little squeezy bottle, and a pick, and I'm just taking out all of these twists and fluffing it out and getting myself ready for the rest of my week.
They bigger than small. That other nigga you be with ain't bout shit. I'm your friend, your father, and confidant. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get $1 out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get $1 out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking PIMP.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead. So ain't nobody praying for me, I'm on your head, ayy. 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram, like, be cautious. I be hanging out Thames, I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you many ass rap niggas better know.
All right, and that is it for my morning routine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was a really chill experience for you. Something, something slight to ease you into the day. All right, have a good one. Bye.